Have you ever stopped to ponder why yawning occurs? One of the primary reasons is the brain's need for cooling. When we yawn, we draw in a deep breath that introduces fresh air and cool blood to our brain, aiding in its cooling process. This simple act not only revitalizes our brain, but also enhances our alertness, especially during moments of fatigue. Additionally, yawning appears to trigger a rise in heart rate, thereby boosting blood flow to the brain. Interestingly, yawning is also a contagious phenomenon. A single yawn can ripple through a room, causing others to follow suit. So did you feel the urge to yawn while reading this? For more captivating insights into our daily habits, be sure to follow Rupendra Talks.